Hey everyone, welcome to USFA Marketing. Today we will go over how to make your social media posts using an image. First, you open up a browser, type in usfa.onlinemarketingservices.site/auth/login. Go to the main menu on the left and select the Social Media tab. Select the Search button on the top of the page. Select the Images tab. Select an image option from our library, or upload your own image. Then click on the Select button. Next, the Social Marketing Post Design menu will appear on the left with a live preview of the post appears on the right. In the Design menu you can select Change Image and select an overlay color and the amount of overlay needed. Select the Image Text tab to add text to your image. Then select the font type, font size, font weight, font style, text alignment, and color. Select the Post Data tab. Select the language for the post. Enter post description if needed. Select a website URL you created or copy and paste a custom URL. Note: by selecting the URL that the post is redirecting to, you have now taken a simple social post and turned it into a social ad. This is unlimited, and if done consistently can drive more traffic than any paid advertising. The advantage of this type of post is that whoever clicks on it will be redirected out of the social platform and into your website. On the top right you can select Save and Exit to save to post for another date, or select Post to immediately post your new content. This will auto-save your content as well. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Come back to learn how to add a new email campaign. Don't forget to follow us on social media by searching USFA Marketing on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. See you next time.